Frijoles and Frescas. That's where we're at. Las Vegas, Nevada. We eating different today. It ain't extravagant. It's not extravagant at all. It's just a gem, a diamond in the rough. We are off the strip, way off the strip, but it's still good dining. Come on, let's go inside and check it out. So, Frijoles is not like a traditional sit-down place. It's like you order your food, you get it, and then that's it. But it's pretty good. So I wanted to bring this to you guys. I ordered my peanut drink. Camera guy ordered watermelon. It tastes like freshly squeezed watermelon. It's really good. Tastes like pineapple. But before we get to this food, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, hit that notification bell, and share. Those are the 5 things I need you to do. Real simple. Make sure you hit that notification bell though, because you need to stay up to date with the videos that we drop in every single week, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Every single week we're dropping these gems. Stay tuned. I'm starving. What's this called again? It's corn. That's pretty good. Ooh, got a little spice to it though. These look authentic already. Pork tacos. Very authentic with the corn tortilla. I'm so excited because we're going to Mexico in a couple weeks. And we're gonna be able to compare all the Mexican food that we tasted. I'm gonna have a link up here to all the Mexican places we've already been, so y'all can check out those videos. So I got a standard burrito, but I added rice. I'm a real big fan of rice. I guess it's the Caribbean in me. They didn't have the beans I wanted. So they usually do refried beans or black beans. They didn't have that. They had pinto beans. I'm sorry, I just don't like pinto beans. Actually, one of my videos, I'm gonna put the link up there. I think it was Agave. They had good pinto beans. I think I was kind of tipsy for Cinco de Mayo, and those pinto beans was really good. Really impressed me. Otherwise, I really don't like pinto beans. Okay. They got down on that burrito. So that's the #1 dish right there. The burrito. Then these tacos. Then that corn. But we also got dessert. Cheesecake chimichangas. I'm gonna taste it right quick. I don't want to taste it cold. These are pretty good. So if you ever been to Del Tacos, all of a sudden in Georgia, there's a whole lot of them that just popped up out of nowhere. They taste like their cheesecake bites. So this would be a good place to like bring the family for like Taco Tuesday or something. It's a real nice environment. The drinks are the bomb too, man. It's like really natural, really fresh.
Like they were used.
They got the beans in there. I don't remember her saying it was gonna have beans in there. Frijoles was a great experience. Yes, it was. I'm stuck. I might have to take a nap before I jump back on that Vegas trip. But I really like the natural juices, and I really like my burrito. Except they had the type of thing that was again pinto beans in there. I thugged it out though. So outside of that, the mini tacos was good. The corn was okay. It's spicy, so be careful. And this was definitely awesome. So if you're in town, Las Vegas, make sure you come check them out for a nice, decent meal. And it was like $40 for all of this. It's pretty decent. And you get full. So it's a cheap deal, cheap steal. So make sure you do me a favor, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Make sure you share with your friends, especially the ones that's coming in Vegas so they can check these videos out. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all the videos that we drop in every single week, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Till next time, bon appetit freaks. Signing out.